Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram black screen issue. To know how to fix Instagram black screen issue, you should just go to settings. Here we will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here and you will click. When you will find this list, you will go down to Instagram. You will find it here in this list as you see like this, and then in this page you will go to force stop and you will click. When you will click force stop, you will go to storage and you will click here storage. After that, you will enter. When you will enter to storage, you will go to click clear cache, and after that you will click clear data. Then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.